Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of mathematics. And next question of miscellaneous exercise 6. Question number first. If function fx equal x square minus 9 upon x minus 3 is continuous at x equal 3, then value of f3 will be, okay. Again, if function fx is continuous at x equal 3, it means f3 is equal to RHL is equal to LHL, okay. Then value of f3 only, then value of f3 it means RHL or LHL. f3 it means value of RHL, value of LHL, okay. Solution. Right hand limit at x is equal to 3. f3 is equal to RHL is equal to f3 plus 0. f3 or RHL or f3 plus 0, anyone, okay. Limit h tends to 0 f over a plus h equal x is equal to 3, it means a is equal to 3. Limit h tends to 0 f over 3 plus h. f over 3 plus h, it means fx, x is equal to 3 plus h, x is equal to 3 plus h. Putting the value of x in the function fx. Limit h tends to 0, 3 plus h whole square minus 9 upon 3 plus h minus 3. 3 cancel out, okay. Limit h tends to 0. Apply the formula a plus b of a whole square. 9 plus h square plus 6h minus 9 upon h. 9 cancel out. Limit h tends to 0. h common into h plus 6 by h cancel out, and putting the value of h is equal to 0, h equal to 0, 0 plus 6, it means f3 is equal to 6, okay. f3 is equal to 6. Next question. Question number 2. If function fx sin 3x upon x, if x not equal 0, m x is equal to 0 at point x is equal to 0. Question 2. If function fx is equal to sin 3x by x if x not equal 0, m if x equal 0 is continuous at x is equal to 0. Okay, function fx is a continuous at x is equal to 0, then value of m, then value of a m. By definition of function at x is equal to 0. By definition of function at x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, then value of fx is equal to m. When x not equal 0, it means x greater than 0 and x less than 0, then value of fx is equal to sin 3x by x. Okay, two types, x equal 0, fx equal to m. X not equal 0, fx equal to sin 3x by x. Because x is equal to 0, it means f 0 is equal to m. Right hand limit at x equal 0. RHL is equal to limit h tends to 0 f over a plus h equal limit h tends to 0 f over 0 plus h. Okay, x is equal to 0, it means a is equal to 0. Implies RHL is equal to f over 0 plus h and fx and f over 0 plus h. It means x is equal to 0 plus h. 0 plus h, it means x greater than 0. X greater than 0, it means x not equal 0. Okay, x not equal 0, then the value of fx equal to sin 3x by x. It means putting the value of x in the function fx is equal to sin 3x by x. Hence limit h tends to 0 sin x 0 plus h, it means h 3h by h. Okay, apply the formula limit h tends to 0 sin 3h by h, it means 3h by 3h same. Okay, sin 3h by 3h into 3, because limit h tends to 0 sin h by h is equal to 1. Sin h by h same. Okay, equal 1. Sin 2h by 2h 1, sin 3h by 3h 1, sin 4h by 4h 1, sin 9h by 9h equal to 1. Okay, so denominator and denominator multiply by 3. Limit h tends to 0 sin 3h by 3h is equal to 1. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. It means RHL is equal to 3. Okay, so fx is continuous at x equal 0, implies f0 is equal to RHL, implies f0 is equal to m equal to RHL is equal to 3. It means m is equal to 3. Okay, question number 2 complete. Next question number 3. If fx is equal to log 1 plus mx minus log 1 minus mx by x if x not equal 0 k x is equal to 0 is continuous at x is equal to 0, then value of lambda will be, then value of a lambda. Again, if function fx is continuous at x is equal to 0, it means f 0 RHL equal RHL. Okay, then the value of lambda will be. Solution: by definition of function at x is equal to 0. f0 is equal to 0 because when x is equal to 0, then value of fx is equal to k. X equal 0, then value of fx equal to k, and x not equal 0, then value of fx is equal to something. Okay, x greater than 0, x less than 0, it means x not equal 0. Okay, but then value of fx is equal to something. First, by definition of function at x is equal to 0, f0 is equal to 0. Next, write and limit at x is equal to 0. RHL is equal to limit h tends to 0 f or a plus h equal limit h tends to 0 a is equal to 0 f over 0 plus h. Okay, f over 0 plus h, it means x is equal to 0 plus h. 0 plus h, it means x greater than 0. When x greater than 0, it means x not equal 0. Then the value of fx is equal to log 1 plus mx minus log 1 minus nx by x. It means x is equal to 0 plus h is equal to h. Putting the value of x in the function fx equal limit h tends to 0 log 1 plus mh minus log 1 minus nh by h. Okay, x is equal to h. Apply the formula because log 1 plus x is equal to x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus and so on, and log 1 minus x is equal to minus x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 minus and so on. Okay, apply the formula log 1 plus x and log 1 minus x is equal to limit h tends to 0 1 plus x, x is equal to mh, x equal to nh. First, log 1 plus x, it means mh minus m square h square by 2 plus m cube h cube by 3 minus and so on. Okay, minus log 1 minus x, it means x is equal to nh minus nh minus n square h square by 2 minus n square n cube h cube by 3 minus and so on by h. Okay, limit h tends to 0, mh minus m square h square by 2 plus m cube h cube by 3 minus and so on. Minus 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 ओपन कोष्टक प्लस एन एच प्लस एन स्क्वायर एच स्क्वायर बाई 2 प्लस एन क्यूब एच क्यूब बाई 3 प्लस एंड सोन बाई एच. ओके, कॉमन एच लिमिट एच टेंस टू 0, m minus m square h by 2 plus m cube h square by 3 minus and so on plus n square h by 2 plus n cube h square by 3 plus and so on by h. Okay, h cancel out is equal to h is equal to 0. It means m minus 0 plus and so on plus n plus 0 plus and so on. Okay, it means m plus n. RHL is equal to m plus n. So fx is continuous at x is equal to 0. Hence, f0 is equal to RHL implies f0 m equal to RHL m plus n. Sorry, lambda. f0 is equal to k. X is equal to 0. Then value of fx is equal to k. f0 is equal to k. Implies k is equal to m plus n. Okay, value of k is equal to m plus n. Next question number 4. If fx is equal to x plus lambda such that x less than 3 for x is equal to 3x minus 5 x greater than 3 is continuous at x is equal to 3, then value of lambda will be, okay, again, if function fx is equal to something is continuous at x is equal to 3, then value of lambda will be, okay. Solution. By definition of function at x is equal to 3, it means f3 is equal to x is equal to 3, then value of fx is equal to 4. Okay, RHL is equal to LHL. LHL is equal to limit h tends to 0 f over a plus h is equal to limit h tends to 0, a is equal to 3, it means f over 3 plus h equal x is equal to fx and f3 plus h, it means x is equal to 3 plus h, x is equal to 3 plus h, it means x greater than 3. Putting the value of x in the function fx is equal to x plus lambda, limit h tends to 0, 3 plus h plus sorry, a minus h 3 minus h 3 minus h plus lambda. Okay, putting the value of h equal to 0, it means 3 plus lambda. LHL is equal to 3 plus lambda. Okay, LHL is limit as tends to 0 of a minus h. A is equal to 3, 3 minus h, x greater than 3, it means putting the value of x in the function fx. Okay, so fx is continuous at x is equal to 3, hence so fx is continuous at x equal to 3, so f3 is equal to LHL, implies f3 is equal to 4, LHL is equal to 3 plus lambda. It means lambda is equal to 4 minus 3, implies lambda is equal to 1. Then value of lambda is equal to 1. Okay, question number 4 complete, and we will discuss in next video. Thank you so much.